Hello friends, welcome again to my channel Smart Life and Smart Home. So today I will be solving a wooden puzzle. It's like a flower kind of thing, and there are so many links in it, and we will try to solve it, how to assemble and how to do the things. So welcome again, and kindly like and subscribe it. Thank you. So friends, this is the flower, this is the wooden puzzle, and we will be solving this. This looks like a very beautiful flower of wooden pieces. You can see different sharp edges. It looks very nice all around it, but if you see, it's a wonderful assembly of different pieces. And let us try to open it, and we will see it how this will just explode kind of thing, and you will see how this, just watch it slowly. I am doing it. Okay, 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 okay. So this is what, now you see, this is the link. So this has sharp edges here, and one kind of particular trapezoid thing is there, and all the links, if you see, they are all similar things are there. And now we have to see how many links are there. So 3, 4, 5 and 6 links are there, 6 pieces. Now these 6 pieces, if you see, they all are similar, they all are equal. And now we have to make this assemble it in a kind of flower thing. So there are different methods, because you have to link it like this, see. So this and this, if you remember how it was looking like, so this was the thing, it was looking like this. So we have to assemble in this fashion, and this should grip within itself, so that it doesn't open automatically unless you pull it out. So we will see how, we will try to see different methods can be there. So I will try to put it together, and you just watch. I have put these 2 things, okay, and then this is the third one. So this, I have put it like this. Now this is very tricky kind of situation. It's not easy to do it, but we will try to see. Now I will make another assembly of similar type. This is one assembly, and similar assembly I will make here in the second hand. So this is how I can use my 2 hands, these 2 half flowers. Many people use this method to put it together, and I also tried it, but somehow I feel this is not that easy, and this goes again and again. It will open it like this. So let us try again. I will put it again like this, okay. So this is how this one half flower, then second half flower I will make in the other hand, and let us try to see. This I am making and trying to put it together, but it doesn't go easily in that way, the way it should go. So I have find another kind of method, and which again little tricky, but that gives a result. So let us see. This I have put it together, then again this one, and then again this one, and again this one. So this is how it has become almost complete. Only one link is there, one piece is left out. Now this one piece should go here like this, and once it goes here, so you can see on these two faces, this face and this face, these two notches, they should come over this face and this face. And this is very tricky. If you try to put it here, this will have to open little bit, and once this starts opening, so this will go away, these two things will go away, and once this goes away, this will also go away, and once these two things goes away, the entire thing will open and it will explode again and will scatter. So we have to be very tricky and hold this thing in the hand, supporting. I will support it like this finger I am supporting this block, this finger supporting this block, and I will try to open it like this. Okay, and we will try to put this one. So this is very tricky. Okay, so and you should see that nothing goes beyond the limit, otherwise everything will be open up. So this is very tricky situation, and once this goes inside, see. Okay, so now only part remain is this one. So I have to put this particular element in very controlled way, and once this goes inside, so this will complete our thing. So I am pushing just a little bit and okay, so I have put it, you can see. Okay, so this is how it can be done. So I will put it again, let us try. I will just pull it, it will open. Okay, so this again 6 pieces, 3 and 3, 6 pieces, and again the same method I will apply. I will put it like this again, this third link, this is the fourth link, this is the fourth link, and this is the fifth link. Okay, so this is complete, almost only one piece is remaining there. I will keep it in hand, these two fingers supporting the opposite pieces, and these two fingers supporting this thing. The thumb I will keep it here, and I will try to open it little bit so that our sixth and final link goes there. So I have to do it very smoothly, controlled, and then I will try to push it. If it doesn't control properly, everything will be scattered. So here just a small, this edge has to go, and then we have to smoothly put it there. So you can see, very easy, very beautiful, little tricky one, this puzzle, but you can enjoy. This is very smooth, looks proper, finished wood pieces. I like it, you will also like it. So kindly like the video and subscribe my channel so that you get some beautiful videos of your choice. Thank you for watching. So friends, you have seen the wooden flower assembly and you enjoy it. So I request you to like this video and subscribe my channel to get some new beautiful videos of your choice. Thank you for liking and subscribing.